Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:03 p.m. November 3rd, 2020, Tuesday. Election day is here finally. We can stop getting spam texts and spam phone calls. We just have a few more hours to go, and that will be done for a while, hopefully. No guarantees that we'll get through an answer to this election tomorrow, but we will see. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, all that good stuff. I do have a question for you guys. It's for a buddy, and I was wondering if you guys can help me out, and I'll get into that in a second. So today, great, much better trading day in a sense of movement. Unfortunately, because I've been playing so defensive, I missed a whole bunch of trades. Got in one that didn't really work too well, and then I made up with it with on a couple other trades. So I ended up in the green today, but it could have been way better, including trades on Tesla, including a trade on BYND. So let's just get into it. SPY up 58, or SPX is up 58.92, NASDAQ 202, and Dow Industrials 555. Pretty much closing at the highs, but then we kind of bottomed out on a candle. Actually, we dropped well, I'm looking at that 5-minute candle. That's pretty ugly. I dropped from 338 to 335. So a 2-point drop on the SPY there. Is that right? Oh, yeah. Look at that thing. It's dropping more and more now as we speak. So I think people were selling off. Not really election information, but I did not expect this kind of movement in the election kind of trading market today. But who cares? It opened up a couple winners. And we'll take it at that. So Boeing, I really like Boeing today. It gapped up, and I was trying to take these moves through here, and I got one early. Actually, it was a really nice trade, but it just shut down really quick. Let me see if I can go faster this way. The red-green here, so the break of the 52 level jumped in a little early on this break of here, and then it ran up to 52.65, but I only got, my best sell was 52.53, but then it flushed down and actually lost on some shares on the way on this breakdown. It was really unfortunate that it didn't hold, because eventually it did get to the 52 and it hit up to 54. But that is no big deal. Tesla took $20 loss on Tesla, unfortunately. Look at this thing. Does it make you want to cry through the 410 level? Yes. I'd still be in it right now, pretty much. 410 break, boom, just took off. Good night, bye. I got it at the 410 level. Let me see. And it just exploded. Pull back here, which is a questionable candle, but I think I'd still been in it. And then it ran all the way up to its highs, almost its highs here. Pulled back, made up some new highs. Just really nice trade on Tesla today if you were able to get in there. Hopefully you did. Unfortunately, I was unable to get my Tesla action on my side. BYND was my a little bit of a nemesis today. I was kind of breaking up these highs. I really liked it over the 148 level based on yesterday's high of day, which is 148 exactly. I was looking for the break here. These are 5-minute candles. I was looking for the 147 break. I got jumped. It ran up to 149. Go figure. Then I tried taking the 149 trade here and got flushed down. So I lost $57 on that trade. And then it ran up to 152 on the next move up through the 149. I actually ran to 152. Oh, I'm sorry, 150.60 from 149. So it would have been a nice little trade there. But a trade that came in play for me today was UPS. I've talked about UPS in the back, talked about shippers in the past. This break here, these are 5-minute candles, made $89 on this trade. It made this high here, and I took this move, secondary move through here, and it worked out really well. I got nice shares off, and I was only for 200 shares, but I got some nice trade in there and made some nice chunk of money. What else did I have? I had a small Apple trade. I had I had another Boeing trade that made me like $30 or something like that. And then VVPR was a small little gainer, but no big deal. So end of the day was $79 on the day. Green on election day. I'll take it. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have some more interesting moves. I don't think I'm going to press the pedal too hard tomorrow again. But again, I did miss a few good ones on the markets, and it's going to happen. It was just you had to step back a little bit. I believe it wasn't worth it. I saw a bunch of people on Twitter talking about how they weren't trading, and I said to myself, "Wow, this is the best market I've seen in 2 weeks, at least follow through." I mean, we saw good trades set up, maybe not the crappy stocks. This stock goes out of control today, 70% up. Just kind of ran. APVO, 29 million shares traded, started around 750. A news announcement came out, and it's up a lot to $4. It's pretty intense. So not going to worry about that. The question I did have was my buddy. He's international. He's in Ireland. He's not in the UK. He's in Ireland, and he is having a platform situation where he's looking for a good platform to trade out of Ireland, to trade the U.S. markets. He needs full books level 2, and he does not have a full 25,000 pattern day trading account size. Now, that's not a big deal, but Interactive Brokers is the only one that has that, and currently he doesn't have that rule, but they are doing that rule for some reason, and they told him he's flagged as a pattern day trader, but going in there, they told him it was fine. So he's trying to work that out, and he'd rather have a broker that has full level 2 books and everything, and not be missing the data that's critical for our style of trading. So if you guys have any idea, let me know. Post in a comment of who you've traded with in the past, maybe that may work out. Might not be the best broker, but is good enough to help someone out in Ireland trade the U.S. markets the way I trade. So thanks for listening. We'll see what happens tonight. Results should start coming in. Of course, they'll be like, the drama they throw in there. Dun, dun, dun. It gets all crazy. So we'll see what happens with their new boards and all the excitement. New Hampshire just in with 3 going to Trump or something. It'll be like, it'll get old pretty quick, and then the chaos will reign probably in the next couple weeks, because I don't think they're going to have an answer for this unless it's a complete shutout. But I doubt that's going to happen either way. So make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate that, and I will be back tomorrow, hopefully with some good trading. Continue to have a good one.